Alright, what is up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Minecraft Xbox 360 custom maps so you can play adventure maps and whatever and whatnot on your Xbox 360 console. So to start out, you are first going to want to open up the Xbox guide and then navigate all the way over to the right and go down to System Settings. Once in System Settings, go over to Storage and you should see your hard drive, and you probably won't see a USB storage drive, so you need to plug in a USB flash drive that is at least 1 gig. Now, if you've never used the USB flash drive on your Xbox before, you're going to need to configure it simply by clicking Configure Now, and then Yes. Now, when you configure your flash drive, it is going to delete any content currently on the flash drive, so make sure you back up whatever is on it before you configure it to work with your Xbox. Now that your flash drive is configured, you can see that by selecting it, you can actually now move data and other things to the flash drive from your Xbox 360 console. So now we want to go up to the hard drive. We want to go down to Profiles, and then you want to select the profile you want to use your Xbox 360 custom map with. So this time I'm going to be using my second profile. I'm going to hit Select It, and then I'm going to hit Move, and I'm going to hit Yes. And now I'm going to select my USB flash drive, and it should move my profile over. It's going to say we signed out. That's not a big deal. And you can see that now if I come over to my flash drive, it now has my profile on it. So now we can go ahead and just simply pull out the USB flash drive from our Xbox, and then we can go over to the PC. It's also worth noting that when you remove your USB flash drive, you're going to get a little pop-up that asks you to reinsert it. However, you can just ignore that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do here is we are going to want to download a program called Horizon. I will have a link in the description to where you can download Horizon, and then go ahead and click Download Now on the actual web page, and then run the installation. Once the install has finished, you can go ahead and open up Horizon, and while that is going, you can go ahead and also insert your USB flash drive. Alright, so once your flash drive is plugged in, it should automatically be recognized by the program, and you'll notice that if you go under Gamer Profiles, your profile should be there. Now, at this point, you should have your custom map already downloaded. You can see mine is over here. I am actually using the one that had all the cool modded faces that you saw on my last video. If you didn't see that video, check it out. This is the download to that if you want to play it. Take your downloaded map and go ahead and drag it directly over to your gamer profile, and then select your profile and hit Use this profile. Now, it should take a second, and it will say packages were successfully transferred. Go ahead and hit OK. And then if you come up here into your games, you should see Minecraft, and then there is the map you just downloaded. Now, before you do anything else, including adding other custom maps if you have them, go ahead and grab the one you just added onto your flash drive and drag it over to the main window and release it. This will pop up, and now if you want to modify the title, you can. Like if I wanted to get rid of that smiley face, I can do that, or change the title altogether. And after I've changed the title to whatever I like, I can then hit Save, Rehash, and Resign. And this will simply make it run more smoothly on your Xbox. After you've done that, you can then hit OK and close the window, and now you can add in more custom maps if you had them, and then you can go ahead and close up Horizon and eject your flash drive, and then take it back over to your Xbox 360 console. So let's do that. Alright, so now we're back on the Xbox 360. Now we can again navigate over to our System Settings, down to Storage, and if we haven't plugged in your USB flash drive, go ahead and do so now. And then select it from the Storage Devices menu, and then find your profile, and go ahead and move your profile back over to your Xbox 360 hard drive. Once that's moved, we can then go over into our games and apps, and we should see Minecraft, as well as the map we just downloaded, or maps if you downloaded more than one. Now go ahead and take the map you downloaded, select it, and go ahead and hit Move, and you can then move that over to your hard drive as well. So now, if you check your USB flash drive, there should be nothing on it, except for system items. So now let's boot up some Minecraft and see if it works. Okay, so here we are on Minecraft Xbox 360. You can clearly see our map is right there. We can go ahead and load it up, and it should work out alright. And yep, there you go. And now you can see that this is the exact map I showed you earlier. And the stuff is obviously still loading up. And there you go. You can see PewDiePie there. And all the other faces I showed you in the last video. So, that is how you download custom Xbox 360 maps. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And I will do my best to respond to it. And if you guys want any tutorials on anything else, do let me know. And I will be sure to get right on that. So if you guys enjoyed, please do drop me a like. They really do help out. and subscribe to keep up to date with my channel for more custom maps, let's plays, and tutorials. And I will catch all of you guys later. Peace!